Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to make gift certificate card using gift certificate card maker. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into any browser and simply search for gift certificate card maker. And we get to see various links over here. Simply get into any of this. Let's go for brand craft. Now here we need to add the keyword we want and click on start now. Now you can simply enter the names and the type or any keyword you want. Once you are done writing it, simply click on search. After which we get to see various options. If you want to add logo, click on upload your logo and your business certificate so that your gift certificate card will be made. So that was all. I hope you liked this video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.